I didn't expect to see you here today.
Neither did I, but I'm glad I came.
You look beautiful as always,
You always say that.
because it's always true.
You make me smile so easily.
Your smile makes my day better.
You sound serious today.
I am serious about you.
That's sweet to hear.
Do you remember our first meeting?
Yes, I was very nervous.
I was nervous too.
You didn't show it.
I was hiding it.
Thought you were confident.
Only because you were there.
That means a lot.
You changed many things in me.
In a good way, I hope.
In the best way.
I feel safe talking to you.
I feel peaceful with you.
Silence with you feels comfortable.
That's rare these days.
Very rare.
Do you believe in love?
I do now.
Because of us?
Because of how you treat me.
I just follow my heart.
Your heart is kind.
You bring out that kindness.
Sometimes I overthink everything.
I notice that.
Does it bother you?
No, I want to understand you.
That makes me emotional.
It's okay to feel.
I hide my feelings often.
You don't need to hide with me.
I'm learning that slowly.
Take your time.
You're very patient.
Love teaches patience.
You really believe this is love?
I feel it every day,
Even on difficult days?
especially on difficult days.
That's deep.
You inspire deep thoughts.
I feel understood when I'm with you.
That's all I want.
What do you want from life?
Simple life with the right person.
And who is that person?
You already know.
Hearing it still feels special.
You are special to me.
I'm scared of getting hurt.
I'll be careful with your heart.
Promise?
I promise.
I trust you.
Trust means everything.
Sometimes I feel lucky.
I feel lucky every day.
Why me?
Because you're real.
I'm not perfect.
I don't want perfect.
That's comforting.
Your flaws make you human.
You accept me completely.
That's what love does.
I like how calm you make me feel.
You calm my chaos.
We balance each other.
Yes, we do.
Do you see a future with me?
I imagine it often.
What does it look like?
Peaceful and honest.
I like that future.
We'll build it slowly.
Together?
Always together.
I feel emotional again.
It's okay to cry if you need to.
Happy tears this time.
Those are my favorite.
You notice everything.
I notice you.
I feel seen.
You are important to me.
I want to be honest with you.
I'm listening.
I've been hurt before.
I understand that pain.
It made me cautious.
I won't rush you.
Thank you for that.
Your comfort matters.
You're different from others.
I'm just myself.
That's what makes you special.
I like who I am with you.
Me too.
You bring out my soft side.
I love that side of you.
Did you just say love?
Yes, I did.
My heart is racing.
Mine too.
I've wanted to hear that.
I wanted to say it when it felt right.
This moment feels right.
It really does.
I love you too.
Hearing that makes me smile.
I'll keep making you smile.
Even on bad days.
Especially on bad days.
Promise me something.
Anything.
Don't stop communicating.
I won't.
Talk to me honestly.
Always.
I feel secure now.
That makes me happy.
Love feels calm with you.
Calm love lasts longer.
I want something real.
This is real.
I believe you.
Thank you for trusting me.
Thank you for choosing me.
I choose you every day.
That's romantic.
It's the truth.
Let's walk for a while.
I'd like that.
Hold my hand.
With pleasure.
This feels right.
It feels like home.
Home isn't a place anymore.
It's a person.
You're my safe place.
You're mine too.
I'm glad we met.
Me too.
Life feels lighter now.
Love does that.
Stay with me.
I'm not going anywhere.
That makes me smile again.
I love your smile.
I love your honesty.
We'll grow together.
Step by step.
Day by day.
Hand in hand.
Heart to heart.
This is my favorite moment.
Mine too.
Thank you for understanding me.
Thank you for loving me.
Let's protect this love.
With respect and care.
I feel hopeful.
Hope is powerful.
So is love.
Especially ours.
I'm smiling without trying.
That's real happiness.
Stay close.
Always.
Let's keep walking.
Wherever life takes us.
Together.
Together.
I'm glad we talked today.
Me too.
This conversation mattered.
It means everything to me.
I feel loved.
You are loved.
Deeply.
Completely.
That's all I needed.
That's all I wanted to give.
Let's make memories.
Beautiful ones.
Starting today.
Starting now.
I'm happy.
So am I.
This is love.